Wiltan Limited is a manufacturer of components for transformers. We produce transformers that are used in power generation, power distribution. It's UK-wide, but we also export overseas as well. Since 2019, we have had a number of very specific challenges for the business. Our major supplier, which was based here in Wales in Newport, was closed. We then had COVID and then Brexit, which had a big impact on us, not least of all in getting suppliers for our raw material. And we have seen massive increases in raw material prices. We were paying £1,500 per tonne, and we're currently paying circa £5,000 per tonne. So that in itself then starts to hit into us being able to supply goods in a way in which we're competitive. We recognise that a lot of the machinery we've got here is very old school, quite manual, quite labour intensive. And we felt that because we can't control raw material prices, what we needed to do was looking at upping our productivity so that we were able to compete on a more even playing field. We engaged with the innovations team from Welsh Government, and they sent people in to do a productivity survey with us. So by undertaking the study that we did, it then gave us the ability to access funding from the Business Productivity Enhancement Programme. So we came to the conclusion that we needed to get some new machinery in that was more automated, that was more efficient. So since having the machines installed, we've managed to double our productivity of those particular items, which has meant that we've been able to move staff into other areas to produce more high-end, higher value goods. And I'd certainly recommend that other companies contact the innovations team and see what they can perhaps provide for them. I have to say this was probably the easiest to navigate. They really seemed to understand what we needed, where we were heading, which is amazing. I think the future is very exciting. We may be a small company in a small town in Wales, but we still managed to compete on the global stage. And I think that's something to be proud of, and it's something to shout about.